Quick update on the new challenge. I got 2.5% and missed 3 or 4 good opportunities to just pass the challenge, after which I tilted a bit, started chasing the market, and basically that happened to very big losing days. Not my finest moment. I was really not doing what I was supposed to be doing. Just kept pushing for no good reason, with higher risk than usual, just because it's a challenge. And I wanted to pass it quickly, but that doesn't look like it's gonna happen. I had some bad trades to get out of my system, and yeah, that's about it. Currently standing at 91k 600 700. So at this point I'm gonna think about how to proceed with this account. Maybe I'll let some EAs work on it, and after it gets the balance up, I'm gonna trade it manually again. So that's it for now. Yesterday on the funded, started out with 2 good trades, got up to 600. Then in the US session I changed my trading panel because I'm very annoyed with the current one I'm using, and I shouldn't have tested stuff on the funded account. Was a bit distracted, took 5 or 6 bad trades, and basically missed the good part out of the opening, where the market just exploded. So a few seconds until the London session opens. DAX still within this range. I'm expecting either a break up to the low levels here, or we just push up from the lower level of the channel. So far we're basically pushed lower out of the Asia session, retraced, continuing this bearish structure. Highs and lows of the day. Could be continuing very strongly like yesterday. There was a very good opportunity to sell right out of the open, went down for 100 points, so we basically reached that from this high. Let's see what happens out of the open. 100 points would put us about here. I'm looking for 50. This could be supportive as well as this. Right into oversold. It would be very nice if we reclaim the London Open here. I want to see some power, some strength. So we've basically made a new low with divergence compared to this, so we could expect a nice push here. Of course, it could just continue smashing lower. So far a down candle, inside bar. Looks like this could be a continuation. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take the risk here. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Yeah, that's basically yesterday's profit. Why do I keep missing opportunities like this? Come on. This was so obvious. Comes down from the London Open, retests and continuation. This should have been my entry point. Could have been a good 1-to-1, 1-to-2. Now it is bugged. These days I'm gonna code my own trading panel, built for scalping. Okay, new low with divergence. Let's wait for the 5 minutes to close and see if this divergence holds. This level is now broken. So yeah, I should have taken this trade around here. Could have gotten a 20-point profit. Five-minute close. So if this holds, we could see a good push to the upside. I'm not gonna be too quick to call it a reversal here. We have a big bearish structure. If this market wants to go up from this point, then we see a swing up, ABC correction, so 5 equal measure move. So at that point we should see resistance. If not, then this is very bearish. I like the divergence here, it's not small. So let's see how the market reacts. Moving average is still sloping down, so there could be selling pressure coming here out of these lows. We have an up bar, another inside up bar. Rest of the indices pushing as well. This is now a good sign. Good push, 50 points so far. This turns into a 100-point move, then up to that level. So basically it could contest the daily highs. I don't like how the VIX is trying to push up. November is not the best month seasonally, so we could still see some big index selling, especially after the all-time highs. Not on the DAX though. No, it is 6th of October. So 5% come off. Came back, retested the London. So at this point I'm gonna wait for a decent pullback and target the daily highs within the next 2 hours. So yeah, just gotta sit patiently. Whoa. Big push out of the GU and EU pairs. Gold as well. Gold sitting roughly in the middle of this range. Big 10% pullback, 11 even. We could be seeing the start of the continuation trade. Still looks like in accumulation here. DAX pushing 70-80 points. Yeah, 70. So about gold, I wish we could have seen another low with clear divergence and then follow through to the upside, but that's not the case here. Just stagnating. Buying oversold on the hourly could be a good entry for a continuation. This was nice. So 1 to 4 potential. EU has sort of a double bottom with divergence, so we could be seeing a good push. If DAX could break, retest and continue here, that would be very nice. For now, it could still be selling off as this is a bearish structure. First 15-minute closed very nicely. God damn it. Yeah, I should have bought here. This was very nice. Every day this week just catches me off guard with some big strong move out of the open, which in the last few months hasn't been really typical. We've just had swings, ranges. Higher high with divergence. This could be a bigger pullback. Retest of the London. That's a strong rejection, 30 points. I want to see this hold. I'm expecting this to hold here. Now into overbought. Or I could be completely wrong and this is just a big ass engulfing candle and a strong continuation lower. As structure suggests. We had a big sell-off yesterday on US indices, so we could be carrying the same weight on the DAX as well. We did make a higher high here compared to this one, but not in relation to this. So this could have just been a great liquidity point for the sell continuation. So down bars, down bars, down bars. This is gonna be maybe an up bar, maybe. So if at this point I see some strength, I'm gonna continue thinking this is a bullish move. Otherwise, if we continue lower, fail to break here and continue, then it's gonna be a bigger sell-off. Getting the buy signal here in oversold. Adding to the position. I'm expecting more momentum here to the upside. Adding here. Taking profit here. I wanted to see a faster push, probably gonna happen now, but at this point I can't take any more risks. So we got a 1 to 2, 1 to 1, and 1 to 0 point less than 5. Overall, close to 1% for the day. Within 30 minutes, I think this is pretty much more than I was expecting to make. So overall good analysis here. I didn't panic and think that this is the continuation lower. There was just no, how can I say it? I can't explain it. After I saw this hold and the moving average keeping up, I was expecting the pressure to be up out of the divergence, and this pullback should have been around here, but it was twice as big, and coming up to this part and holding with a signal here to buy. In the oversold, started buying here, added here, and lastly here. It probably could just jump after another pullback. I don't like that we're not able to break this high. So if we're to be bullish, could be expecting a good push. Not seeing the same strength in the US indices. New high. New high for this structure here. Okay, so I think it was a good place to take profit, even though we didn't go to the target I had, which was close to the daily highs. I'm not the biggest fan of this move, just because there is basically no pullbacks. Sort of exponential, and as you can see, it's beginning to stagnate, which makes which gives a higher probability that we just see a massive pullback out of nowhere. I would like to see more more pullbacks, more opportunities to enter and have a manageable stop loss. So until this happens, I'm not gonna think about trading. And of course there is a chance that it busts up, and I was gonna be very correct on this position, but yeah, had to manage. Overall, pretty happy with this. 1% in about 9 minutes, more or less. Okay, I'm gonna take a 15-minute break, wait for the hour to close. So far looking very good for a continuation out of this low. And after this market makes a pullback, I'll reassess, maybe go lower risk, just if I see some A+ setups. Looks like this is gonna accelerate now. Jesus. 80 points out of this low, 100 points out of the previous low, so this one. And now we're into the trend line. Yeah, my target was gonna be hit. So I basically left about about 1%. No way. Quick maths. So two of the positions were 1 to 4. So about 2k on the table that I left there. Well, gotta be happy with this. Okay, I'm gonna take a break now.
This is not a phase, my dear. Time heals the moment, but our hearts were frozen, don't disappear. You were scared from not knowing, but I got a feeling that I'll be right here for the rest of my life. Just know that I'll give you love you'll never wanna share tonight. Tonight. But if the world isn't working the way that we found it when we were too young to love, our attention is running, 5 seconds is burning a hole in our racing hearts. I wish we could find the space, a great escape, where we could finally break the mold. If it's us that we wanted, we're happy after the fall. And I don't wanna change it all. 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 Life be till the end. Tell me stories that I've heard 1,001 times before. I bet. Let me fall into your eyes all over again. I'll be right here for the rest of my life. Just know that I'll give you love you'll never wanna share tonight. Tonight. But if the world isn't working the way that we found it when we were too young to love, our attention is running, 5 seconds is burning a hole in our racing hearts. I wish we could find the space, a great escape, where we could finally break the mold. If it's us that we wanted, we're happy after the fall. And I don't wanna change it all. And I don't wanna change it all. And I don't wanna change it all. No, 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 no.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through? For you, 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 for you.
Alright, so what happened here? First tower, big rejection, didn't reach the daily lows here. So near the end of the hour, we had this big pullback out of the session highs, so making new highs for the day. Still within this big bearish structure, new high with divergence and followed by a big sell-off. So that's about 60 points. So far staying, so it hit the 0.5, now staying in the 382. So this could either be a continuation up, or we could just fall down. Basically a gap fill, higher high with divergence, continuation lower. Given the weakness in this market, we could see this go to the daily high, daily lows. So far, we're in this pullback, which is a bullish structure. Failed to continue lower here, so just made a new high. Currently lower low with divergence. Could be the continuation. I left a lot of money on the table here, so 60 more points. This whole trade could have been a maybe 3% win. Instead, I just got out of the position with one, but it's good. There it is. Lower low with divergence. So if now we fail to continue above here, I'm gonna consider this to be a strong, weak market, and I'm gonna expect a continuation lower. So far that's not the case though, so let's see.
Now you got me out in the deep. Feeling I'll be wrapped around your neck. When you burn me out like a cigarette. Yeah. Drifting in the city, no sleep. Don't know where we headed for next. Maybe we should get lost in a sweet escape. You tease me and you touch me. I'm going crazy about it. Keep saying that it's nothing. So tell me what to do. I'm losing all my cool. Feeling like ain't nobody else around us. Ain't nobody else around us. Got me breaking all my rules. It's only me and you. Feeling like ain't nobody else around us. Ain't nobody else around us. Yeah, tell me lies like you mind. Crazy out of time flies. We be getting sky high. So what? Hey, no rush. Hey, turn the lights out. Do you wanna level up? Baby, let me fill your cup before we out of here. Do you wanna take it slow? Just let me know. You tease me and you touch me. I'm going crazy about it. Keep saying that it's nothing. So tell me what to do. I'm losing all my cool. Feeling like ain't nobody else around.
So far failing to continue up.
Else around us. Got me breaking all my rules. It's only me and you.
This could have been a good scalp.
Around us. Ain't nobody else around.
1-1. But this is still not invalidated. Could be making a double bottom with divergence. So that would be a bullish sign. Rest of the indices not doing so good. GU kept pushing. EU not pushing. Gold retraced as well. We're still above the London Open, so could be a good sign to continue up.
Can't take heartache, but I don't think I'm ever getting past you. All day, I'll stay. You and me, a beautiful disaster. Always fighting till we go insane. Fuck all night until we don't feel pain. All day, I'll stay. You and me, a beautiful disaster. I know why your mind is so dishonest. I see you and I'm fucked up like before. I'm surprised the 45 is loaded. You're really trying to blow my brains tonight. Fucked up on a Saturday. The vibes ain't right and the sex don't feel like love. I know that it's better days. The memories are gone. It's a beautiful disaster. Can't take heartache, but I don't think I'm ever getting past you. All day, I'll stay. You and me, a beautiful disaster. Always fighting till we go insane. Fuck all night until we don't feel pain. All day, I'll stay. You and me, a beautiful disaster. You and me, a beautiful disaster. You always looking pretty with no makeup. Let me take you to the city before we break up. One more night, girl. We
Barely making new lows.
want a little break from the hard times. Every day you gave me a flat line. You would say it's always a bad time.
Looks like this could be supportive.
How to break away when you were on mine. Can't take heartache, but I don't think I'm ever getting past you. All day, I'll stay. You and me, a beautiful disaster. Always fighting till we go insane. Fuck all night until we don't feel pain. All day, I'll stay. You and me, a beautiful disaster.
So this is going to continue up, and this is the correction. We're seeing ABC. There is our C continuation.
Some things are meant to be fair. I know you left me down and out, and now the river is red. Got that hit on your head. Should've buried your dead. Should've listened to me and said, oh, how little you know. You better watch out, my
I'm still aware of this big ass divergence, so this could accelerate to the downside. So 100 points from the highs would be around here. Yeah, looks like continuing lower. So this got invalidated. Now testing the London Open.
I don't wanna just get by in life before I die. I only left a single
So if this is gonna be a big move to the downside,
just to revive.
I don't really want to chase because it started here, had good opportunities to enter here,
When pressure holds too tight.
especially at this point, which is this.
Only I can make up my mind.
Could have been a good 1 to 2.
I've been patient, waiting for an answer, contemplating. Didn't get me any closer to the reason why I feel the need to do it all.
VIX at 19. This suggests some worry in the markets, so we could see big continuations today to the downside in the indices. So at this point we are rejecting the London Open, so I'm expecting this to revisit these lows and possibly come to the gap. So another 50 points lower. Gold selling off nicely as well. Possibly gonna revisit these lows. Yeah, this was a very nice sell. So 100 points played out. This divergence was a great sell. Too bad I didn't catch any of it, but can't win them all. So yeah, this could accelerate more, about 50 points more, and if we are looking for the daily lows, it's about 200 points. So there's gonna be good opportunities today. For now, I'm gonna be going. I'm gonna think about what to do with the failing challenge. I'm gonna probably let some bots try and recover this. Here's the funded, sitting at 1.3% profit. Nice trades today. Yeah, so that's about it for now. I'm gonna work on my trading panel. Maybe I'll do a video how I'm coding that. I'm gonna do some strategy optimization as well. I'm currently still doing research on other prop firms and possibly futures. I'm not really liking the rules that others have, the consistency bullshit. While I can adhere to them, it's gonna feel a little bit more restrictive. So gotta research very well. I'm looking at Fivers, at Funded Next. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'm most likely gonna look to buy a new challenge. And I think I'm gonna come back for the US session, so until then, let's see what happens. See ya later.